When you think of luxury, precision, and innovation in the automotive world, Audi stands proudly among the top names. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and the famous four interlocking rings on the front grille, Audi has become a symbol of performance and sophistication. But behind this emblem is a story that spans over a century. A story of ambition, mergers, reinvention, and a relentless drive toward progress. Let's go back to the early 20th century. The origins of Audi trace back to August Horch, a brilliant German engineer and automotive pioneer. In 1899, he founded a company called Horch and C, one of the first car manufacturers in Germany. Horch was passionate about building powerful, high-quality vehicles, but after a disagreement with the board of directors, he was forced to leave his own company in 1909. Undeterred, he decided to start a new car company. However, he couldn't use the name Horch again because it was already legally owned by his previous business. So he got creative. Here's where it gets interesting. The word Horch in German means listen. So August Horch translated it into Latin, and the result was Audi. That's how the new brand was born. In 1910, Audi Automobilwerk released its first car, the Audi Type A, which quickly gained attention for its smooth engineering and performance. Audi began making a name for itself in motorsports, particularly in endurance races and hill climbs, where it proved the strength and reliability of its vehicles. But the story doesn't stop there. In 1932, four major German automobile manufacturers, Audi, Horch, DKW, and Wanderer, decided to join forces to create a stronger, unified company. This merger formed Auto Union, and to symbolize the union of the four brands, they created a new logo, four interlocking rings. Each ring represented one of the founding companies. Today, that symbol still defines the Audi brand, though now it solely represents Audi itself. Auto Union became known for producing some of the most advanced racing cars of the 1930s, with rear-mounted engines and streamlined designs that were way ahead of their time. These innovations laid the groundwork for Audi's future reputation as a technology leader. Fast forward to the 1960s, and the Audi name was revived under new ownership. After a series of changes, the company was acquired by Volkswagen Group, which helped reintroduce Audi as a brand focused on luxury, innovation, and engineering excellence. It was during this time that Audi began to develop the Quattro all-wheel drive system, a game-changing technology that would define the brand's identity. Introduced in 1980, the Audi Quattro was a high-performance car that dominated rally racing and proved that all-wheel drive wasn't just for trucks. It could be fast, stylish, and fun. The Quattro name became legendary. It stood for control, stability, and driving excitement, even on the toughest terrain. Today, Audi continues to use and refine this technology in many of its models. Throughout the late 20th century and into the 2000s, Audi transformed itself into a serious competitor in the global luxury market. With a design philosophy rooted in Vorsprung durch Technik, which means progress through technology, the brand built a reputation for sleek, minimalist aesthetics, cutting-edge features, and powerful performance. From the elegant Audi A4 and A6 to the powerful RS series and the futuristic e-tron electric vehicles, Audi continues to push boundaries. They've also invested heavily in autonomous driving, sustainability, and electrification, aiming to lead the next era of mobility. But at its core, Audi's story is about progress, a founder who refused to give up, a brand built on collaboration and reinvention, and a legacy that continues to evolve with every innovation. So the next time you see those four silver rings on the road, remember, they represent more than a logo. They tell the story of unity, vision, and a belief in driving forward, no matter what. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world's most iconic brands.